Merry Christmas, y'all.
Merry Christmas, happy holidays, everyone. This is Apple and Rob coming to you from the North Georgia mountains. We decided to take off, go 800 miles north for the Christmas holiday. We hope everyone is having a happy and safe holiday.
As 2010 comes to an end, we're going to count down our top 10 favorite adventures we had this year. Number 11. This beer. Cheers.
Number 10, pranking our dog. You're gonna be a muddy dog.
Joke's on us.
Number 9. The Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show.
Got our credentials.
Hey guys, we're here at the 2018 Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show and we're checking out the Beneteau Monte Carlo. Come check it out.
So we allow you to see not only at night, but we also do color at night.
Hanging out with Guy Harvey here at the 2018 Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show.
Fantastic, very nice to meet you.
Thank you.
It's
Very
my
nice to meet
33rd consecutive year here. So,
Is it?
Yeah.
My first time coming.
Yeah.
Thank you very
Great,
much.
well, have fun, and to all your viewers, come and check us out at the boat show. All right.
Thanks.
Have fun.
Ooh, one of my favorites, number 8, the Kennedy Space Center Visitor Complex. So I touched the moon rock.
What's Moon Rock?
Number 7. Also your favorite. The water taxi.
Everything's my favorite.
Oh, I mean.
Ready to go?
Oh yeah.
All right.
We've been dying to do this. Sherry from Cape Cod
Yeah.
has a nice pour.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Oh wow.
Hey.
The boat is a rockin'.
Number 6, we took a helicopter ride over Orlando.
My first time
Yeah.
on a helicopter ever.
Oh yeah.
A little scary at first.
Baby. A hella tour.
Check out Galaxy's Edge. That's gonna be awesome.
Number 5. My birthday dinner at the California Grill on top of the Contemporary Resort. My favorite.
Oh, that was good.
Oh, we gotta go back.
So we just sat down at the California Grill for our birthday dinner for Apollonia.
Cheers.
So I'll drink to that.
To 29 again. This is the rotisserie smoked beef short rib. Oh my god. And a blue crab butter or something of the sort. I don't know. I don't care. It is so good. I'm thinking you're gonna have to roll me out of here. You gonna sing to me?
Number 4, we took a 7-day cruise on Royal Caribbean's Oasis of the Seas.
Our honeymoon.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Barrington Watson.
Wow.
This is a painting by him. This is a masterpiece.
On the way back,
Yeah.
check it out and have some good push
Okay.
Okay.
Some good push.
too. Yeah.
All right.
Oh, I know.
You know, party. We gonna say, man, tell them my name, tell them my name. Up, 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 up. Shh.
Cheers.
Yeah,
And I had them
honeymoon.
carved A&R, Jamaica 2018.
It's a 70s party, by the way.
Okay, so it's a 70s party tonight down here on the Royal Promenade deck.
Number 3, I took Robert horseback riding through the mountains for Christmas.
Yeah, we went all through the mountains.
Also my first time.
Yeah, that was a lot of fun.
I'm still sore.
How much fun you're having?
I'm having a lot of fun.
Going horseback riding at Brasstown Resort. Number 2, we bought a sailboat and our adventures with Luna, our Catalina 22 begins. Boats and hoes, boats and hoes. Yeah. Just in time for this awesome sunset. All right. Cheers.
Cheers.
Is that yours? Oh, that's nice.
It's cute.
That's yours?
Cheers.
Cheers. So, October 20th, our 6-month anniversary. It's as clear today as our wedding day.
And number 1, we got married!
Mama, don't you worry about your daughter, cause you're leaving her in real good hands. I'm a real good man. Let God bless the broken road and let me stay to you. By the authority vested in me by the state of Florida, I pronounce Robert and Apollonia to be husband and a wife in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. What God has joined together, let no man separate. You can kiss your bride. Save that for tomorrow. Mr. and Mrs. Robert Apollonia Wheeler.
That was a bad idea.
Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed counting down our top 10 adventures of 2018 as much as we did. If you haven't done so already, be sure to click that subscribe button down below and hit that notification icon so you get notified whenever we post a new video. And stay tuned for more adventures in 2019. Cheers.
Cheers to 2019.